Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM21. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM21 is not closing properly, you may be experiencing an issue with the locking mechanism. This can occur due to wear and tear or misalignment. If not addressed promptly, it could lead to further damage or even make your device unsafe to use. To carry out this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement locking mechanism, and possibly some tweezers. First, ensure your device is unplugged. Begin by gently prying open the casing of your Thermomix TM21. Use a flathead screwdriver to carefully unclip the plastic tabs around the edge. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. Once you have the casing open, locate the locking mechanism. This is usually situated near the hinge area. Look for any visible signs of damage or misalignment. To remove the faulty component, you may need to unscrew a couple of screws. These are typically Torx screws, so ensure you have the right screwdriver. Apply a gentle force while turning to avoid stripping the screws. As you extract the locking mechanism, take note of how it is positioned. It's important to place the new one in the same orientation. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you have replaced the locking mechanism, reattach the screws securely. Before closing the casing, double-check that all cables are connected properly and that there are no loose parts within the device. You can then gently press the casing back into place, ensuring that all clips snap securely. Finally, plug in your Thermomix TM21 to test the closure. If everything works smoothly, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly check the locking mechanism for wear and ensure that the device is not overloaded during use. Keeping your Thermomix clean and well-maintained can also help avoid similar problems in the future. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.